I'm going to tell you a story about me as a storyteller. So I just recently had a really important experience happen to me. My grandfather got one of those DNA testing kits done. Y'all know about those? Yes. And he's not very good with computers. So he borrowed a phone to take a picture of the results on his phone. And then he emailed me that picture, so I only got the first page. But, boy, that first page. Now, I read this information that I am from Mali, I am from Togo, I am from Benin. And at first I was going about my day, but then, let me tell you, I had to pull my car over when my spirit processed the information I had been given. How many generations of my family have had that knowledge taken from them? And we thought we may never know, other than the stories we pass down to one another. And to live, to inherit that knowledge, that is powerful. I had to pull my car over. I have goosebumps right now. I had a map. I have a map now, so I could go back and see where my homelands are, what my name is. And so I started to study. I got on Wikipedia, I got on Google, I got on it all. I wanted to know about where I'm from. And I started looking up the folk tales from this region. Because I know, as a folklorist, as someone who goes all over the state telling folk tales what they really are. And let's talk about that. A story is a story, right? We can make a story any day. But a folk tale is told from generation to generation. So that's not just a story, those are instructions. Those are instructions from my grandmother's grandmother. That's from all of my elders and ancestors. Instructions they left me to help guide me. And now that I know the map, now that I know where to look to, I can pick up my messages.